So, you're interested in lucid dreaming, but you have all these fantastic and interesting regular dreams. Are you going to lose that when you start lucid dreaming, or are you going to take away from that in any way? So, I thought I'd bring up this subject because I've had a few people make comments like this in the past. They say that they like their regular dreams and they're worried that once they start lucid dreaming, they're never going to have all of these interesting dreams created entirely by their subconscious. And I also brought this up because I myself love my regular dreams. I enjoy my lucid dreams for particular reasons, and I enjoy my regular non-lucid dreams for other reasons. For me, I don't actually set a goal of being lucid in every single dream. I'm actually completely fine with having some regular dreams and some that are lucid, and I like them both for different reasons. For example, with my lucid dreams, I like the fact that I have complete control and freedom to do what I want. But with my non-lucid dreams, I enjoy the fact that I'm sort of taken on this guided adventure, almost like watching a movie. Well, here's the thing. Once you start practicing lucid dreaming, you're probably going to discover that it's not quite as easy as you'd hoped. It is fairly easy to lucid dream on a consistent basis if you take all the right steps and you do all the things that you should be doing. And if you're not sure what you should be doing, check out the countless guides on my channel, or my lucid dreaming book, the Lucid Dream book, or my audio course, Advanced Lucidity. There's plenty of information there to help you start lucid dreaming. But what you're likely going to find is that you're not lucid dreaming as often as you would like to be. You might do techniques every day for a week and then get 1 or 2 lucid dreams that week a lot of the time, especially when you first start out. Now, as you practice longer and longer, you're going to be able to increase that number, but you're never going to get to a stage where every single one of your dreams every night for the rest of your life is lucid. At least that's very, very unlikely. What's most likely going to happen is you're going to have more and more lucid dreams, but you're also going to remember more of your regular dreams, so it's going to seem like you actually have more of both. So if you're one of these people that already has exciting adventures in your dreams, and you're worried that that's going to be tainted by, having to control the direction of your dreams, don't worry about it. You're going to have more of those dreams too. And if you're still worried, then look at improving your regular dreams. I recently made a video called How to Make Your Dreams More Fun, and in that video I talked about not just how to make your lucid dreams more fun, but also how to make your regular dreams more fun. This is something that I've actually been working on a lot recently. I've actually been focused a lot more on just trying to improve the content of all of my dreams on the whole, than on actually getting lucid. I've been experimenting a lot more with things like dream incubation and trying to control the nature of my dreams without necessarily needing to be lucid. I've been focused on improving my dream recall, and in general I've just been trying to have a lot more fun with all of my dreams all around. So if you feel like you are having lots and lots of lucid dreams but not as many regular ones, and you kind of miss them, you miss the adventures you used to have, then do some of these things. Try out a bit of dream incubation. Try and watch some interesting movies or read some interesting books before bed that will give your brain some ideas. And simply, if you're feeling like you're having too many lucid dreams and not enough of those regular ones where your brain takes you on its own adventure, then simply stop practicing techniques for a bit. You can stop practicing the lucid dreaming techniques, and you're going to find that what's going to happen is that you might still get lucid every so often. You typically will if you've been doing it for a while, but you're going to start getting a lot more of those regular ones again. So yes, this was just a quick video, but I hope those of you who are concerned that your regular dreams are going to suffer because you get lucid dreams, don't be. There's really no reason to be. You're going to be improving both types of dreams if you're practicing lucid dreaming techniques. If you want to learn more about lucid dreaming, definitely check out my lucid dreaming book, the Lucid Dream book. There'll be a link in the top right hand corner or down in the description below. Anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and enable all notifications if you want to stay up to date with my videos. And if you want to keep watching, check out one of the videos on screen, go watch that, and I'll see you there soon. Take care.